This footage shows the moment a freight train struck a police patrol vehicle with a 20-year-old woman handcuffed in the back seat. According to the investigation, a Platteville police officer pulled over Rios Gonzalez after an alleged road rage incident involving a gun. While the officers were searching her truck, a train horn can be heard blaring. As it gets closer, one of the officers realizes the car is on the train tracks and begins yelling.
Dispatch something 346. Show me out with 912.
It's not you. Just listen to 89. Close to 89. 89, I'm 3 car behind you. There's 89.
We can see here that the police car is already on the train tracks to begin with. It left me wondering, why didn't they realize this sooner?
I'm going to your passenger side. Dispatch left in 346, one at gunpoint.
Driver, let me see your hand. Let me see your hands.
Upon arriving at the scene, we can see that the officers are too focused on apprehending the suspect, seemingly not caring about the looming danger that is about to happen.
Put your phone down. Put both hands out the window. Both hands out.
Dispatch left in 346. We're giving commands. Her hands are out the window at this time.
Open the door. With right hand, open the door. With your right hand, open the door. Come on out. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Put your hands up. Come on out. Come on. Come behind the truck. Stand up.
Dispatch left in 346. She's out of the vehicle. Hands are visible.
Who else in the car with you?
These bugs. Yep.
Hey.
You want to go to this side?
Yeah. Vasquez. Hey.
Lift your hands up. Lift your hands up. Okay? Turn around.
We can see that the suspect has come out of the car and is surprisingly following the officer's orders.
I want you to set your phone down on the edge of your truck. You don't need it. You can leave it on. Come on back. Keep coming back. Keep your hands up. Keep coming back. Keep coming back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Stop right there. Get down on one knee and then the other.
I got cuffs.
It's rare to see suspects complying with police orders like this one. But what I'm really concerned about is the train coming down the tracks that the police car is parked on.
We'll explain everything in a second.
Can I get
Who
my
else is in
cell
the
phone,
truck?
please? No one else is in the truck, sir. Can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get it for you.
Don't worry
Stand
about
up.
yourself.
Please.
The suspect sounds calm while being handcuffed. That's so nice of her.
Hey, what?
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, ma'am, but can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get your cell phone in a second. Is there any weapons in the car?
Ready?
No, ma'am, there's nothing on.
There's no weapons in the car? Okay.
Everybody out in the car, come on.
What's going on? Ma'am, what's going on?
I'll tell you in a second. Take a seat.
I'm so confused. Can I get
Take a
my
seat.
cell phone?
I will get your cell phone for you.
Now the suspect is being placed inside the police car. She would never expect what is about to happen next.
I see a car seat.
At this point, the officers are continuing their search on the suspect's vehicle, all the while she was being placed inside the patrol car on the train tracks.
Yeah, you drop it. I'll hold it. I'll just come across. Clear. Dispatch looking 348. Vehicle's clear. You can raise the channel.
That's good.
Well, seems pretty calm so far. No train in sight for now.
took her a long time to pull over.
I got a holster right here on the passenger seat.
Okay. It took her a very long time to pull over. I'm going.
Did you see her toss anything?
She could have, because it took her a long time to pull over. I'm gonna put my rifle away and I'll come back in a minute.
All right.
Can't the officers finish the vehicle faster or at a later time? It seems they forgot their patrol car is on the train tracks right now.
Could have tossed something, but I lit
Tossed it out the window?
She could have out that window, but who is that? Hart?
Oh no, that train is definitely coming closer and closer.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Move your car! Stay back!
Let's see how this happens in this dashcam angle. What a hit! It gave me goosebumps seeing the patrol car being hit by the train.
Dispatch 12446, status medical emergent. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
Now they're searching for their vehicle. But the question is, did the suspect survive that? There's their patrol car.
Watch the fence. There may still be a firearm in the vehicle. I don't know if you guys have been through it yet. You got it?
I got a holster here. No,
yeah,
we've not gone through.
We weren't sure.
Wait, these officers are still searching the suspect's vehicle in the brink of danger. Guess they don't really care about that suspect surviving, huh?
Right now, I just need to find out who she is so we can deal with that aspect of it. I've got some IDs right here. Who's away? Okay. You hear that?
No, I didn't hear that.
There's a round over there in the door.
Okay. That's her. We got a date of birth on there.
That's what I was looking for.
I know you.
And they're literally laughing while continuing the search. Talk about being heartless.
Check the center console.
You what?
Check the center console.
Based on our source, the suspect survived. And we have some interesting details to share with you about what happened after this incident. Let's have a look.